ಸಖತ್ ಖಾರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ರುಚಿ ಆಚಿ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪೌಡರ್.
Sir, case has been registered in national case against Rahul Gandhi. So what you have?
See, I am telling you, this is unfair. See, there is a limit to harass. There was no need to harass. It is not Mahatma, Indira, Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi property. They were the custodian of the shares because they were the party president. See, I am the chairman of various boards. Siddaramaiah is also chairman of KPC. Siddaramaiah is chairman of my irrigation projects and all. So when he is the chairman of the irrigation projects, at least one share or two shares will be there in his name. After we leave the office, we will be the chairman and we will be the directors. After we leave the office, everything will be transferred. So here now, they were the Congress presidents. It is from the days of Jawaharlal Nehru, they have been there. It is not their personal property, they have already declared. Either it is Young India or it is the National Herald, it is the political party. See, without Congress, Gandhi family, Congress party can't be. It is they are the custodian of the party family. There are other members also. At the time of Voraji, Ahmad Patel ji and all, such decisions have been taken to protect the interests of the Congress party. Even when the party was dying, at the time of Kesri ji, Madam ji, we all went and begged her to take up this responsibility. With her leadership, 10 years we have ruled this country with an economist of this country. And Congress party is going ahead. Simply it is a political torture which they are trying to create. It will not go well. History will repeat. A lot of problems will happen. See, it is jealousy. Rahul Gandhi never cares. I am telling you. Let them put him to jail. He will never care for anything. It is not good. I also appeal to the central government. This vindictive attitude will not give you fruits. It will only demoralize your ethical values. Politics, let us face in the streets. Let us face in the election, in public. Not like harassing and misusing this various institutions.
Today winter session is starting.
ನಾನು ಸರ್ವ ಪಕ್ಷ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಸಿಎಂ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿನೂ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಎಂಪಿ ಸರ್ ರಾಜೀವ್ ರಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಮಾಧಿ ಹತ್ರ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಎಂ ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಸಿಎಂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Rajiv Rai, MP from Uttar Pradesh, has tagged you and said that sir he got stuck in the traffic.
Okay, come on, let me meet him in Delhi. You tell him I'll meet in Delhi. What will be the traffic in Delhi? I'll show you. I'll also tag.
Sir, Parliament session is starting from today, sir. You are